people first is how we start every day. Thanks to you. We are working to satisfy everyone's needs to make the world a better place. Thanks to you. We protect what's essential in our lives. We keep the bread fresh to share with loved ones. We keep the coffee fresh to start the day off right. Thanks to you, we deliver hygiene supplies to those who stay at home today to protect their health. You have brought detergents, tissues to millions of households. We are working together with all our strength to have a safe future to help the world economy grow. Thanks to you, a baby sleeps peacefully. Thanks to you, we fulfill the needs of people. Thanks to you, we are Korozo.
Thanks to you.
Thanks to you.
Gracias.
Dankzij jullie.
Ihnen vielen Dank.
Grâce à vous.
Спасибо вам.
Takia.
Şükran lik.
Senin sayende.
Senin sayende.
We are grateful to all of our employees working to meet the needs of millions.